So our next tutorial is a smoky eye, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using the Naked Basics by Urban Decay. And what I like to do is I take a large fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it into, if you want to lift your hat up a little bit for me, I'm going to dip it into the WOS, which is kind of, they're all matte, so they're great to work with, but I want a little bit more of a white as an all-over base for her first. So with a large fluffy brush, we're just going to add this all over the eye. And we're bringing this all the way up to the brow bone. Now once we've done that, we're going to go in with our smaller brush. I like to call this a crease brush. It's actually a Sephora brand brush. It is the Precision Powder Shadow Brush, and I'm still going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. And I'm going to go in with, the color is called Faint. It's like a brown. And I'm going to be using this to do the crease with that. So basically when I do eyes, I always like to kind of start here in the middle and then kind of work my way out. Turn that way. And at the end here, I kind of do like a V shape. And then I work my way in because I don't want too much color on the inside. So basically, this is why it's so important to also have a blending brush, because you can't just apply your color in the crease and leave it like that. So you need to take your blending brush and go over that color that we put in the crease. And by doing that, by blending the color, it softens everything. Now we're just kind of blending and doing that V shape. I'm not extending it past her eye. It really should end where the end of her eye is. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Remember, start in the middle and then work your way out. Do that V shape. Bring it in. And again, remember, you want more color from the middle to the outside of the eye than you do in the inside of the eye. Next, go back again with my blending brush And I'm going to really blend that crease. And don't be afraid to really, when you're blending, to really press and blend. Because I know a lot of people, sometimes they get kind of scared of like how much to blend. I mean, you really want to blend your shadow. So apply more pressure. And now this is fairly light because we're going to start gradually adding another color on top of the crease color. So what we're doing is we're layering and we're blending. The next color I'm going to use, again, from my Urban Decay Basics palette, is the black. So I'm going to go in with my crease brush, add a little bit of the Crave color, and I'm going to go right over that other color that we used in the crease. And we're doing the same procedure. So we start in the middle, and then we just kind of work our way in to a V. And whatever's left over, you can bring that in the inside, because again, you don't want too much color towards the inner corner. Once we've done that, again, it's not blended. This is why it's so important to blend. I'm going to take my blending brush again. And I'm really going to blend this. I'm not going to apply as much pressure this time